Gabrielle Bute and her husband Jarrett recently opened a storefront in Antwerp for their business Raised at Home. The store offers furniture, vintage gems, home decor, handmade products, and local items. Bute graduated from Antwerp High School in 2015 and earned a bachelor's degree in business administration from the University of Northwestern Ohio. She and Jarrett married in 2017 and now have 3 children. Bute started Raised at Home online in 2024. Originally, it was a way for her to share home projects, recipes, and motherhood adventures through social media and her blog. Bute refurbished a couple pieces of furniture and shared them online. When local followers saw what she was doing, they kept giving her furniture for free. In the summer of 2025, Bute started a roadside stand in her front yard. On it, she sold framed prints, vintage treasures, books, fresh flowers, and more. It was this stand that sparked the idea of a storefront.
The outdoor stand that I started over the summer really gave me the idea of putting my business out there instead of just selling online. Being able to see the customers stop and shop briefly really kind of helped me grow the brand and the idea. When the opportunity presented itself to have a physical location, when we saw this building, the plans just fell naturally after that.
The building they saw was formerly Mickelson's Upholstery, located at 417 West River Street by the root beer stand. Bute and her husband purchased the building this past fall. The process of renovations has been a long journey for the Butes, including knocking down walls, cleaning, and demoing.
We created 1 room up here. This was 2 rooms, the store area. We've been trying to add a lot of character back into the building as well, while also keeping it nice and spacious and clean and bright.
In the new storefront, in addition to her own merchandise, Bute plans to include other business consignments.
We will have some homemade soaps, some tallows, lotions, and then we also have someone who is going to sew handmade clothes, so just quite a variety of products.
As the storefront now comes to life, Bute is more thankful than ever for the help she has received along the way.
My family has been extremely supportive in the process of renovations and starting the business and building it. Between helping up here, watching our kids, and just anything that I need help with, I'm extremely grateful for my family and all their help.
Raised at Home recently held its opening weekend, February 6th and 7th. For more information about the Butes' business and its hours, visit Raised at Home on Facebook and Instagram. Better yet, Bute hopes to see the Antwerp community visit her store in person.
When you shop at Raised at Home, you're supporting a local family as well as other local makers and the products that we have to offer here. You'll find quality items that you won't necessarily find anywhere else, and I want this to be a whole experience for you when you come in and shop with us.
Lichty, ALSTV.